Let's see. Okay. Great. Greetings and salutations, you lovely degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower, where it's for weird and forgotten drinks and other late niceties. I'm your host, Corey. Today we are going to get back into the guide to pink elephants. We think we've done one of these before. It's this little Rolodex of cocktails. I guess somebody would have kept behind the bar. And we're going to do one today called, if I can get the boxes a certain way, it goes on there. Today we're going to do one called Paradise Cocktail. And as always, I am not a bartender. Do not take this as bartending advice. So let's make a cocktail. As always, this is a shaking drink. We seem to do a lot more shaking drinks than stirred. So let's start at the top. 3/4 of an ounce of Apricot Brandy. A whole 1.5 ounces of gin. 1/4 ounce of lemon juice. Not a whole lot, but it'll do the trick. All right. Now it's shaking time. Now, since we are doing one from the Pink Elephant book, I found these cute little pink elephant glasses. I'll try to do a close-up of it so you can see. I thought it was appropriate. Although I doubt this drink will be very pink, but you know, we'll see. Well, it's not very pink, but let's give it a shot. You know, very gin, and a little, you can taste a little bit of that lemon, and a little sweetness from the apricot, but it's definitely not sweet by modern standards. But a few of these you'll see pink elephants, I'm sure. In the meantime, y'all know what to do. Cheers.